How to transfer your videos to Koofr on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your videos to Koofr on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and here just go down and click this one, transfer a copy of your information, and now click next and then select Koofr and go to photos and click none, and then go to videos and select all your videos and then next, and now just connect your Facebook with Koofr. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.